Hello, hello, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to be doing an interesting tarot card review. Have you guys heard of Spirit Halloween? For those of you who do not know what Spirit Halloween is, they are a Halloween accessory, costume, decor, lighting, you name it, they probably have it, store that opens like mid-August through Halloween. Okay, they are like one of your biggest Halloween stores in the United States. They also have an online store. I'll link it down below, and that's open year round, I believe. So like you can order things year round. But it's kind of like one of those stores I go in obsessively over every year. You can find whatever you need there. So one opened up recently near me, and of course, I had to go. And I saw these last year, but I was like, I don't have a reason to purchase them because, you know, I have other decks, but I couldn't pass it up for the price. So these are Spirit Halloween's tarot cards. I don't know what to expect. They were only $7.99. I feel very much like they are, like, I want to say a prop. It does say that they come with 78 cards, the 22 major and the 56 minor. So, I mean, hopefully they're a deck, but there's no guidebook, and it's a very, 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 very decent price for a tarot deck. But if you look close, you can't really see what the pictures are. At least I can't, but they look really colorful and I like the little backing. So I guess we'll see. But there's Spirit Halloween's logo. They are the company that goes into like vacated stores for the season. Like they don't have a specific brick and mortar store. Okay, so for those of you that aren't familiar or don't know what I'm talking about, it's a fun store. I mean, I get obsessed with going in because I get a lot of the gore makeup there. I do that around Halloween. If you guys want to see like a tutorial video on some fun cuts and stuff, I wouldn't mind doing that either, side note. But I get a lot of stuff for the house as well. But anyway, I'm going on tangents. You guys just want to see the cards. So let's open this up and see what's in here. I'm nervous. I want to like these, I really do, but I have a feeling these are just for your fortune teller costume. Okay, come out of the package. There we go. Oh, okay. So it's in an actual box. So that's something that gives me hope. All right. It's a cute little box. You gotta have the logo on there. All right. The backing is super, super cute. They feel really rough cut. Like they're not really that smooth on the sides. And again, I'm taking the price point into consideration here, okay? Like I'm not expecting nice quality material. Okay, yeah, and they are like really thin. That's not horrible. That's not horrible, but yeah, they are rough and they are very, very, very glossy. Valkyrie Justice, okay. All right, let's start. I'm nervous. Okay. First of all, what? Four of Wands is a fairy? Okay. Fairies. There's the astrological sign in the corner, and it looks like the symbol of what the suit is up top. So that's nice. But I'm not understanding Four of Wands for fairy. Okay, cannibal for Seven of Swords. I mean, kind of get it. And there's the sword up there. I mean, kind of. Okay, so they're all creatures, it looks like, or mystical things. I don't hate the artwork, but I kind of feel like the artwork is like when you sketch something in pencil and then just go over it with marker or colored pencil. Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay, yeah, so they're all going to be creatures. I'll just go for it. I'll save my opinion until the end. It does look like colored pencil. I don't hate it. Okay. Well, I mean, you can't go wrong with a representation of that. That makes sense. Okay. I'm kind of disappointed, but at the same time, not really, because again, price point. And I bought it at a Halloween shop. So, I mean, I did not have high expectations. Let's see if I can actually get it in the frame. Hello. Ooh. Magician, Warlock, okay. Three of Cups, Witch. I mean, I like this kind of like picture. That's so sweet, but like, it doesn't make sense. Not at all. Let me just, okay. We're just gonna quickly Kraken. Okay, so Nine of Cups. This is definitely not representing Nine of Cups. Judgment. Okay, so as we're quickly going through these, because I'm not impressed, I'm gonna just give you my thoughts. I don't hate it, but I'm over it really quickly. These are the cards you definitely use when you're throwing a Halloween party and you dress up as a fortune teller. And these are the cards you use because nobody knows any better. And you don't want to get your actual deck ruined. Or when you're throwing like a haunted house and you're wanting to scare the kids, when you pull them their cards, yep, these are what you pull. Because they're not like terrifying, but they're not gentle. Okay, I like that card, but again, doesn't make sense. You know, they're scary, but they're, you know, besides the succubus, they're all pretty, you know, PG. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is when you scare the teens, the preteens. Like, oh, this card's not a good card. Yeah, over it. I mean, I like that one. Injustice is Valkyrie. Okay. Yep. Well, let's see how it shuffles. I mean, it's rough. It's rough edges for sure. Like, they're not comfortable in the hand at all. I say use these for crafts, use these for parties. Because, I mean, they're not gonna, I don't know. I can't say I'm disappointed because I didn't have high hopes. But yeah, not impressed. I'm not impressed at all. I definitely feel like, because like my whole thought was, okay, if this really is a decent deck for $7.99, what a great way for beginners to like get their hands on a set of tarot deck, on a tarot deck set. And that way they're not, you know, feeling guilty for spending over $20 on a set, and like it's affordable, it's a good price point. No, don't even waste your $7.99 unless you are using them as a prop. Okay, I'm serious. This is not where it's at. Okay, I realize it. Before you go in the comments telling me, well, you bought them at a Halloween shop. What did you expect? Yeah, I know I bought them at a Halloween shop. But, you know, curiosity and the fact that like I saw the price point and I was like, okay, this could work. But yeah, I bought them at a Halloween shop. Okay, I get it. Now, if you shuffle them this way, that's not too bad either. I mean, definitely for your costume, if you want to carry around some tarot cards, definitely. If you want to have like a spooky haunted house and play the Madame Leota character, then definitely the $7.99, yes. Don't, you know, spend good money on a tarot deck for just that. So that's what I think that it is. I'm in no way bashing Spirit. I am in no way bashing the artist. It doesn't even say who the artist is. Yeah, it doesn't, I can't even give credit to the artist because it does not say. And it says for novelty purposes only. But you know, I feel like most companies have to say that nowadays so they don't get sued if anything should happen. So, I mean, final thoughts. You already know what they are. Don't waste your money unless it's for a costume or a haunted house, okay? You can get a nice basic Rider-Waite set on Amazon or at Barnes & Noble for less than $15. If you want to just start basic, do that. You know, they have images that are very, 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 very common if you want to use them for a prop as well, or for your Halloween party. Yeah, I'm bust. That was a bust. All right, guys, if this at least entertained you, as I'm getting sage off my mat, if this has entertained you, go ahead and let me know in the comments what you think. Give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed, I do more of these videos and also pick-a-card readings and crafts. So go ahead and feel free to subscribe and also ring that notification bell as well, because I do not have a set upload schedule yet. I promise, I'm working on it. I'm working on it. So life is crazy. And yes, so I'm getting there. And then also like Halloween, if you guys want like some fun, quick and easy gore tutorials, I'm so down to do some. I mean, I am no graveyard girl or anything by any means. I just can teach you some basics. So there's that too. Let me know if you want to see that as well. So, and any Halloween-y kind of reading requests, I am so excited. I have something kind of big coming in October, toward the end of October. I have an idea. We'll see if it works. So take a look, you know, keep your eye out for that. I'm going to be teasing that because I think it might work. But yeah, let me know if there's anything that you are like wanting to see, or any pick-a-card readings that you want to see. Also, any decks that you would like me to review that I haven't done already. So check out my playlist and see what I've reviewed. And if your deck that you want me to review is not on there, please leave me a comment and let me know, and I will get my hands on it for you and I'll let you know what I think. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.